This is the SVS SB4000 and it is a beast. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's the Villa Man and today we're reviewing this monster, so stick around. The subwoofer's job is to produce the bass in music and the low frequency effects of movies. And the frequency response of this bad boy is 19 to 310 Hz. That is a wide range, and it can get even lower than that with room gain, which depends on your particular space. Below 20 Hz is the subsonic range, which approaches the limit of human hearing. At that point, you'd feel the bass more than you hear it. It might also rattle a few windows. The cone has to be incredibly rigid since it's the movement that makes sound, and unwanted movement can cause sound distortion. During all this movement, the cone can have a peak-to-peak excursion of 3 inches, excursion being the distance it travels in and out. Now it does all this using a 13.5-inch driver, which is powered by a 1500 watt RMS amp, which is, fun fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times as powerful as the first subwoofer I ever bought. Now all this power means it has impeccable control of the cone. So no matter the material you're throwing at it or the volume at which it's being played, it'll sound incredible. Oh, and this thing is heavy. A good woofer assembly and power source will have a substantial weight to it, and if we were using only those as the judge, then we could tell this was a quality sub because the motor magnets alone are 40 pounds. The entire sub weighs in at a ridiculous 102 pounds. Now, to get the audio signal to this bad boy, you have a lot of options. There's the traditional analog RCA input for LFE or low frequency effects that we traditionally find on subwoofers. Then there are the stereo pairs of both RCA and balanced XLR inputs and outputs. To control this beast, you have 2 options available to you. There's a front control panel which has a bright LED screen that's also dimmable, and also the SVS app, which is available for your smartphone, both of which control every aspect of the sub. The sub also comes with a powder-coated metal grille, which I removed on the first day and never looked back because, honestly, I am not the biggest fan of it. So what's the verdict? Well, the sub is at the top of its class. It is by no means cheap, but I think it is worth every cent of the price tag. It's high-tech, powerful, poised, articulate, musical, and beastly when it needs to be. And with a bevy of control options, it easily integrates into a variety of systems. Over the past few months, I've had a variety of subs in this room, and after all that, I can say that the SVS has earned all the praise I give it and the high regard in which I hold it. I would not hesitate to recommend it. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe as well for future content. Until next time, peace.